Welcome to How To, and today we're going to be talking about how to make friends. The 7 secrets of making friends, and this is just part 1 because there is a lot more to come. Good friendly skills attract people towards us as friends. Bad habits repulse people away from us, and learning these skills can make us successful, happy, and socially charming. So let's get started with our first skill. A friendly person praises others and does not show off their intelligence, while on the other hand, an unfriendly person rarely praises others and shows off their intelligence. To do this skill, praise others at every opportunity, whether it's your colleague, your spouse, your neighbor. Everyone loves to hear a little bit of praise. It makes them feel better about themselves. And don't criticize or correct others, because even if you're trying to help them, it will come across negatively. Do not show off your intelligence, because it comes off as showing off your ego, even if that is not your intention. And let other people come in the spotlight, as this makes them feel more important and good about themselves, which is a feeling you want from a friend. A friendly person does not blame others around them, while an unfriendly person looks for opportunities to blame other people. Do not blame others for their faults, and instead try to look from their point of view and suggest a better option in a helping way as an alternative to blaming someone. A friendly person doesn't get angry easily, while an unfriendly person gets angry very easily. Do not get angry if someone has wronged you, because that will never solve anything. And playing the blame game, again, won't help you in any way. A friendly person listens to what the other person has to say, while an unfriendly person constantly keeps talking. Instead of waiting to talk and get your word in, understand what someone else is saying. Do not wait for silence to respond, but use silence to understand what the other person has to say. Repeat what someone said back to them, and ask them a question that makes them continue to talk. This way, you will show your interest and encourage the other person. A friendly person smiles a lot. An unfriendly person rarely smiles. Smile a lot if you want to show others that you are a friendly person and that you are easy to talk to. Smiling brings out the best in you and those around you. Even if you may not feel like you are friendly, smiling can show that you are open to talk to. A friendly person jokes a lot, while an unfriendly person is always serious and rarely jokes around. Joke a lot because people want to be around funny people. It will help you make friends, but make sure to never make others the target of your jokes. A friendly person is free of worries about what others think, while an unfriendly person constantly worries about what other people think of them. Don't be concerned about if others are thinking good or bad about you. This way you will be happier, and a happy person is a friendly person. I guarantee it. People haven't made that many opinions about you before you go and talk to them. Be smart and use these skills mindfully. To implement these skills, watch this video every day because frequent reminders are always helpful. Thank you for watching How to Make Friends. Please subscribe to How To, your source for free information. And keep watching for more parts for How to Make Friends.